Let me show you something no one really talks about. Sometimes it's not your outfit, but what you're wearing under it that changes everything. Hey guys, today I'm showing you how I use a couple of pieces from Feelingirl to make my everyday outfit fit and look better. It's not about hiding your body, but it's about how your clothes sit right on your body. Okay, this is the outfit before the bodysuit. And this is the seamless bodysuit. And this bodysuit is so amazing. What I love about it, it's really comfortable. It's like, it has like a stretch to it without losing its structure. It's not restrictive to the body. It smooths everything out the way I like. Also, it's very comfortable. It has the buttons underneath, and it actually covers the entire bottom, so it's not a thong, which is something that I like, because I don't always want to wear thong bodysuit, because sometimes it can, you know, be uncomfortable, which I like about this particular bodysuit. It covers the whole body, and it really stretches to the body. For size purposes, it's a medium large, and I typically wear 6 to 8, mostly on the 8 side now. But this is true to size. It stretches with your body. It's not restrictive, and it will look also great with like a blazer or a sweater. Is it with a sleeveless blazer? It looks really sophisticated. You can wear it with or without a blazer or a sweater. We're moving into spring, so you can just wear it with just top and bottom, or top and shorts. Also, it comes in the color black. So this particular color I chose, but it's amazing. It's amazing. I can see me wearing this all the time. I will be wearing this all the time. This is gonna be my go-to bodysuit that I will be wearing with my shorts. It's so comfortable. It's so comfortable. Really comfortable. You could probably wear this with multiple things, with jeans, shorts, trousers, blazer. The list goes on. It's a really comfortable, very soft bodysuit. I am pleasantly surprised. The bodysuit style with a more casual look. These jeans, they are snug on me. And with this bodysuit, I'm just able to like zip it right on up. This bodysuit, it makes everything look more clean and refreshed without losing its structure. I don't know if I can. This bodysuit is amazing. I love it. I could wear this bodysuit with just this as a top, jeans, and some cute sandals. I am really impressed. And it's not, what I love about it, it is not tight. I don't know. It's not tight at all. It's not restrictive. That's the word. It's not restrictive to the body. So I can move, I can stretch, I can bend, all the things without, it feeling uncomfortable. And I can see me wearing this all day. All day. All day. Really like it. I'll give you a close-up. It looks like really stretchy. Look at there. And I like the crew neck of it. I like how it goes up. They have this in black, so if you don't like this color, you can get it in black. Oh my goodness, I love this. Okay, Now let's talk about this Unlined minimizing bra. This bra, you guys, it's really comfortable. It's unlined. It has a very wide strap to it. This is I got it in size 34 double D, and it has the wide straps for the girlies like me. It makes everything look smoother, and it has that wide strap here, so it covers, you know, that piece, the spillage that, you know, us as women, we have problems with, and I do in fact have a problem with. I actually wore this all day. It doesn't dig into the body, or I'm not ready to take it off. It's a good, you can wear this out, you know, not just in the house. I'm going to show you what it looks like, but here's a picture of what I ordered so you can see on the person, but I'm going to show you what it looks like under clothes. But it has also this little mesh here. It's a really good, it is like really smooth. Look at it. Kind of feels like a shirt. All right, let me try it on. Here is it with, I wore this white shirt so you can kind of see, you know, the bra. Typically I do not wear black under white, just a fashion tip I need to throw in there. I normally wear like a nude, but for the purpose of this video, I wanted to show you this. It looks really great under this t-shirt. It makes it look smooth. It's really light. That back here, there's not a lot of spillage. The straps are wide. Also, look how wide the straps are, and that it's not placed directly in the middle of the shoulder like some bras are. I suffer with, you know, because my boobs are dense. I have that like thing where it kind of like really presses into my shoulders and it leaves a mark. This bra doesn't do that. It's light, it's smooth, it's buttery soft. It makes this top look really smooth without, you know, appearing bulky. You don't want a bulky bra, and it doesn't lose its shape. Also, it provides that natural shape, you know, and it doesn't like sag like some Unlined bras kind of can make your boobs look kind of saggy. I love this bra. This bra is amazing. I'll probably wear it under a black top, or, you know, something more color so it's not visible to the eye in my everyday wear. But great bra. I really love it. Sometimes you have those bras where you're like, oh my god, I need to take this off, or it's itchy, or it's uncomfortable. It doesn't dig in the skin. It bends with the body, which is a plus. It moves with the body, which is a plus for me. Great bra. Great bra. Overall, I like pieces that work with my wardrobe, not against it. And realistically, this bra and that bodysuit works great in my everyday outfits. If you're interested, I'll link everything below with my code Jaquila to get 15% off. Let me know which outfit was your favorite, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.